Do-it-yourself solar power has never been easier. All you need is a wrench, fully assembled and ready to use. These systems prioritize both safety and energy efficiency, making it easy to power appliances like air conditioners just as effortlessly as you would at an RV park. Just connect your batteries and your solar panels for 12, 24, or 48 volt battery banks. Add any size inverter to get 120 volt or 220 AC power. You can start small as these setups are fully expandable. As your energy needs grow, simply add more solar panels, batteries, and any inverter. Best of all, you won't have to worry about installation fees. Staying at RV parks typically costs around $60 per day, adding up to over $21,000 annually. Even if you invested $5,000 in a solar power system, it will pay for itself in 3 months. On top of that, solar power lets you camp off-grid for free on many federal lands. Enjoy reliable solar power for 20 years or more. We use only Class T premium fusing. It's more expensive, but it provides the best protection. Visit DIYsolarboard.com for more information.